Forget the card, there's a new way to pay.
Oh, what'd you just do?
I just paid for it.
It's called the Bankwest Halo, Australia's first payment ring.
It's an incredibly simple and convenient way to pay.
It works just like your bank card, but there's no fumbling for your purse or wallet.
$3.50, thank you.
The waterproof ceramic ring has an inbuilt chip linked directly to your account. It'll work wherever contactless payment is accepted.
So if you're out on a jog or you're surfing, you can always get that coffee and always have your money with you.
Just like regular tap and go, there's no need for a PIN for purchases under $100. The ring is available now, and Bankwest hopes its customers like the simplicity of it. But like anything new, only time will tell whether it proves popular or just another passing fad. Experts say the flip side to the convenience it offers is it could encourage people to spend more.
People are less conscious about small transactions, and in terms of this $4 for the coffee doesn't matter. If you do that every day of the week, every week of the year, it adds up. But people don't think of every day of the year.
The ring has the same security features as your bank card with 24/7 fraud protection. And if you lose it, you can cancel it. Rob Scott, 7 News.